Meme coins are certainly unstoppable right now. We're still seeing many micro-cap coins explode in price, with multiple coins doing over a 10x just overnight. So we're looking at a new pre-sale coin today, guys, another potential gem in the markets, and this is known as Mooky. Mooky is a friendly little monkey who strives to save the world, and this is an interesting coin that's also partnered with many different reforestation communities and charities. So it says Mooky presale stage 5 is now live. Don't miss out on this opportunity to become an early adopter and potential king of the jungle. So we're seeing a very nice website. It's very colorful. It's got that kind of meme coin hype vibes going on. We can see it's in a presale phase. Stage 5, they've raised just over $300,000. So this will actually qualify as a micro cap coin, in my own opinion, honest opinion. We can see it's already been audited, KYC'd, it has a green paper as well. So let's explore this presale together. Mooky presale is currently in beta stage. This will make you an early adopter to the cutest community-owned DeFi meme coin coming to the sweep market. Join the limited time presale and see why global media is talking about Mooky. What is Mooky's mission? So Mooky is the cutest and coolest meme token of 2023. They will be helping plant trees globally with the aim to better the environment and inspire change. Mooky is a community-owned token with governance where the community decides on a DAO vote how to run the operations. The holders of the token are the ones who also own effectively the platform. So we can see here Mooky are celebrating their stage 5 presale, and they have stated that this is where the fun begins, and they're going to increase their marketing output and efforts at this particular phase here. So also we're seeing a lot of nice graphics too. They're colorful, they're poppy, and it's kind of giving us like big eyes vibe over here, but I think it's got more potential in my honest opinion. So tokenomically, this coin is a 0% tax token, meaning you do not have to pay any of those very vicious slippage fees or requirements when buying or selling. Low tax tokens are the best option for the community, as you don't feel punished for buying or selling those tokens. Liquidity will be locked for 2 years as well, which really helps alleviate downside potential on the price. No team tokens or VC private sale. So there's 500 billion tokens, which isn't a massive supply. 70% sold to the presale, 20% reserved for listings, 5% for the centralized exchanges and staking, 3% on charity and 2% on reserves. Remember, that is absolutely 0% tax, which is really bullish as well. Just love the design of this website too. It just looks so colorful. They're also going to have 1,000 unique 3D NFTs, so they're tapping into the NFT marketplace. Whether these have utility, I really hope they do. That would be super cool. But they're super unique 3D Mooky NFTs offer utility and ROI. There you go. Each NFT is connected to a real life planted tree that can also be tracked. So if you hold a legendary or super rare, you receive entry to the Mooky Ventures Club. So you can try your luck by buying a few of these NFTs. They're coming soon. I guess it's random number generation, and the chance of getting a super rare is going to be very low. But if you do, it could be also super rewarding at the same time. Here is the Ventures Club. It says this is a unique perk for legendary and super rare NFT holders. You receive airdrops bi-monthly, that's twice a month, from the partnership platform, merchandise and passive income from the investment portfolio, and you can track all of that through their dashboard. So I think that's pretty cool too. They've also got partners, which is basically teasing an update soon, so we don't know who they're going to drop there, but I think that's also very important. Moving into the roadmap, what does the future look like for this particular coin? Roadmaps are important because it shows us that developers have a long-term commitment and a vision to grow the platform. It says Q1 2023, website development, they've already done it, the contract is deployed, white paper is released, $100,000 was raised, and I've already got some nice community members. We're moving into Q2 2023 now, where they're doing the contract audit, KYC, presale website goes live, they've got a Mooky video trailer, they've already smashed through 20,000 followers, what they're trying to, 5,000 Telegram members, media publications, and $500,000 raised. So they're sitting at 300k at the moment. They want to keep on raising money. Moving into Q4 2023, the end of this year, they're going to have a centralized exchange listing, major influencers, Mooky Venture Club will open. We'll see a $25,000 charity donation, a planting 1,000 trees, a project partnership, and airdrop. And then 2024 is all about, more exchange listings, more ventures, more charity, more trees, and just growing every single part of the platform. So it does actually suggest that they're going to have 50,000 holders by Q4 2024. I don't think that's a huge amount of holders, to be honest, but let's see what happens. I mean, the market should be much more bullish by then, and fingers crossed they can actually blast through 100,000 and more. Mooky white paper, Now, white papers are important. If you're going to research on something, always do your own due diligence. And remember, none of this video is financial advice. You've got to use the link I have provided down below so you can do your own research on the Mooky community and DeFi tokens. So the goal is to protect the environment while shifting wealth into the internal ecosystem of DeFi, where people can make passive income and also basically make the world a better place. Mooky, the protector of nature, very, very fun ecosystem community token owned by 95% of the community. That's crazy. It's tax-free, so there's no carbon footprint. Good cause charity, value-backed NFTs are also included to this platform as well. The team, the leader and boss of it all, the community, basically you guys. Big key strategizes how to rebuild the environment, leads the troops. Got back key, delegated Mooky as the leader and himself as the second command. Community, the aka Apu, two most familiar things from him, crypto and bananas. Tech key, aka Chimpstronics, a tech nerd that creates, builds and establishes. So basically these are the Mooky monkeys behind the scenes are making this particular presale grow. Mooky wins the heart of people, nature and technology. The journey to success begins one person at a time, one tree at a time, and one hug at a time. So I do like their mission statement. It's very important to save the planet and also realize, carbon footprint is a real thing out there. So it's an interesting looking abstract. We already looked at the tokenomics or the treenomics, 500 billion total supply. So we can see exactly where that is going. But there are NFT taxes. So this is something we didn't know about. So 8% to the seller, 5% distributed to holders, 2% to charity. That's absolutely fine. There's nothing bad about that. The jungle system. So this should basically show you the ecosystem, what it comprises of. You've got the Ventures Club, NFTs, and also staking capabilities too. Map we've looked at, and a disclaimer as well. Of course, disclaimers, everyone has them because we don't know what the future entails, and crypto still remains risky and a speculative sector in the markets. But coins like these alt gems with low market caps, like I say guys, they launch like this, they trend, the community, the hype, the adoption, the adoption and the fees. These are things that show us that the coin could potentially explode. So we want to see Mooky be one of these guys right here, where it's going to trend on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko and other listing sites. So I think it's very, very possible at this particular point of time. Definitely liking the look of this coin, so I'm going to grab myself maybe a small bag, $250 to $500 to start with, just to see how the momentum picks up. I don't want to, of course, put too much of my net worth into anything or any pre-sale because it just would not be sensible. But this coin, Defi, has, in my opinion, 10x potential. Here is a smart contract. Of course, this is good for security audit to know that security is in the forefront of the developers' minds. Also makes the community feel safer, and we know that it's not a scam project. So this looks great to me, as well as their solid proof audit right here, which is of course another important factor. They don't have these sort of audits, the security is not going to be there, people aren't going to buy the token, and they will never achieve adoption. But you can see that they have done it, and that's perfectly fine. So there it is guys, there is Mooky, the pre-sale portal as well. This Mooky is the ultimate meme coin platform, as we can see, and it's super easy to buy. We can see they're in stage 5. It's just started. 1 USDT acquires 224,215 Mookies. At current time, they have 24.5 billion remaining in this pre-sale phase. They also have a promo code. I don't know where that one actually is, but I guess you can find it somewhere online. But you can see $304,000 has been raised for this coin, which does not look bad at all. Super easy to buy on the MetaMask wallet. We've seen it all before. Just connect to the ETH or the BNB ecosystem, and then you can purchase some Mooky coins. So very, very easy to do. 100% secure. Let me know what you think about this coin, guys, and remember the address for this coin is 8470B. This is the contract address, so do not fall for any counterfeit addresses and get scammed. This is the official website right here, and that's the official contract address. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to probably have another look at this coin at some point in the future as well. They've got a lot going on, the FS scan as well as the sweepstakes. So I do want to see how fast this thing can move. At the moment, Mooky is a cool looking coin. Let's see what can happen for this 500 billion supply. Fingers crossed we can see some big stuff. And make sure you click that link down below if you want to check out the Mooky ecosystem and do a bit of research yourself. Thanks for watching this video, and before you go, consider jumping into our Discord channel where we're looking at trade analysis, we're looking at DeFi, staking, pre-sales, ICOs, much more. We've got trading signals, we've got the whole lot, guys. So honestly, the Discord's a great place to come hang out. Over 10,000 active members as well. Of course, Mooky IO. Let's see what this little boy can do, this little monkey here. Can it be a next 10x? Maybe. Ooh, over and out.